Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel US Freelancer. This video is related to WordPress Dashboard and Post menu. Watch it carefully, you will learn all the detail about Dashboard and Post menu in WordPress. Double click on Desktop Server and a pop window will appear before you. If you do not have created any site, then select Create New Development Website. It will create site for you. Click Site and it will open new tab in your default browser. In browser, click on Dashboard and it will take you to WordPress backend. From here you can go to Your Site, Dashboard, Database, and Desktop Server command prompt. Now I am opening Site in new tab and this will take you to newly created site. Now to the dashboard of WordPress. This is the first look of WordPress Dashboard. The dashboard have two sub-menu, Home and Updates. The Home have WordPress Dashboard and the Updates sub-menu show update for WordPress plugins, themes and WordPress version. This is the available updates for version 5.5.1. You can update it right now by clicking on Update. The screen option shows what you want to show on Dashboard. Click on check marks and it will be shown on your screen. Now check what Dashboard consists of. Welcome to WordPress. Customize your site or change your theme completely. In next steps we have: write your first blog post, add an about page, set up your home page, view your site. In more actions we have: manage widgets, manage menus, turn comments on or off. Learn more about getting started. You can dismiss it right now. At the glance, show your site current information like you have one post, one comment, one page. Show WordPress version and activated theme. It also show that search engine is discouraged for showing your site. The activities section will show your activities of your day, just like recently published things. I have one default post, Hello World. Recent comment. This is the default comment from WordPress will shown in your activities for one day. You can approve, replay, edit, mark as spam, trash or view. All are 1. Mine is 0. Pending is 0. Approved is 1. Spam is 0. Trash is 0. WordPress events and news. These are arranged by WordPress. Attend events by WordPress in all over the world. This section show new related to what is happening in WordPress and upcoming event which WordPress announces. Just like WordCamp Ogijima. WordPress maintenance released. You can check updates. The upper bar have site name. About WordPress menu. Show update details. You can add new post. Media. Page end. User. Desktop server command line interface, aeroplane mode. User profile. The next important is post, which are dynamics. The post have sub-menu. All post. Add new post. Category. And tags. The screen option of post have author who can publish post. Category. tags, comments and date. You can change the number of items per page. The view mood have list and insert mood. Insert mood show title and some detail of post. After all, you have to click on apply to add them. You can search for post if there is a lot of posts. At the time I have all in one and published is one. You can edit or move it to track by selecting and apply to it. Below each post you will have edit, quick edit, trash and view. You can filter post by category and date. I have total 1 item. I am going to move the post to trash, check it, and from the trash you can restore and delete it. Permanently and it will disappear. This the window when you install and click on new post. Add title, click on plus button to add various block for posts. You undo and redo any blocks. In code editor you have to write HTML and CSS code if you think that I can make post better than visual editor using HTML and CSS. You can add various field. You can change post visibility to public, private and password protected. Public is visible to everyone. Private is visible only to you. Password protect visible to those who know the password of post. I am changing it to password protect and enter password now. Only those can open post who have password. Pending review are the revision of the posts. The category have post category to which you can add post. You can create new category, make it parent or child category of other category. Now the educational will be the child category of beginner. You can create tags for post, provide different tags to different posts. Feature image is the image which will be shown on instead of post, and when someone click on it will take it to the post. For SEO you set alternate text for image. Title of the image. Caption and long description about the image. By doing so, your images will be shown in search engine like Google when someone search related to topic. You can set excerpt for your post, which will be short description in Google for the post shown in search result. In discussion, you can allow comments and ping back and track back. Here you can set template of post to full or cover. The block section will show the detail of each block you inserted in post. Till now there is no block here, let's check it. Each block have different setting and details. You can add custom CSS if you know about CSS and know how to add CSS. In image block you can add images from Google by copying its address and paste it here. You can move the post to trash and set permalink for the post. In header you can set header from H1 to H6. You can set various things for it. You can set time for the post to be shared on desired time on site. This is the title of your post. I have now 2 revision for the post. You can create category for your post from post sub menu. Category name. The slug name must be the same, which will be shown when someone take mouse cursor there. You can set child or parent category for it. The description will have details about the category, what is there in this category. You can set name for tags, slug name and description. At the time there is no tag here. I am going to share a lot about all of the remaining ones soon. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to US Freelancer for more videos about WordPress.